QuickBooks Error 6094. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1, on Windows Security. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button, search Windows Defender, and open it. Step 2. Select Virus and Threat Protection, then click on Scan History. Step 3. Under Quarantine Threats, look for QuickBooks files. Step 4. Click on the item you want to remove from the quarantine list and click Restore. Step 5. Then click on Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. Step 6. Once done, close the window. Step 7. Open Windows Security again and go to Virus and Threat Protection. Step 8. Click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Step 9. Then scroll down and click on Add or Remove Exclusions under Exclusions. Step 10. Click on Add an Exclusion button and select Folder from the list. Step 11. Next, select your QuickBooks folder and click Select Folder. Step 12. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Solution 2. On AVG Antivirus. Step 1. Close QuickBooks and open AVG Antivirus user interface. Step 2. Click on Menu and go to Settings. Step 3. Next, select Exceptions and then Add Exception. Step 4. Add the QuickBooks path in the field and click on Add Exception. Step 5. To check if QuickBooks files are quarantined, open AVG and go to Menu. Step 6. Select My Statistics and click on Open Quarantine. Step 7. Now, select the necessary QuickBooks files, then click on the drop-down button next to Delete. Step 8. Then click on Restore and wait for the file to restore. Step 9. When you get the file restored successfully, click on Close. Step 10. Now, open File Explorer and go to the QuickBooks file folder. Step 11. Check for files in the installed directory that were renamed. Step 12. Rename the file back to the original file. Step 13. Once done, open QuickBooks Desktop and see if the error has been resolved. Solution 3. Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub. If you don't have it, download and install it from. Step 2. In QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Program Problems. Step 3. Next, select Quick Fix My Program and it'll take some time to fix the issue. Step 4. Next, select Installation Issues. Step 5. Select QuickBooks Install Diagnostic Tool. Step 6. It'll take about 20 minutes to fix the issue. Step 7. Once done, restart the computer. Step 8. Open QuickBooks, go to the Help tab, and select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 9. Click on Update Now and select Get Updates. Step 10. Once done, click OK on the prompt. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548 150.